How to manage derived pricing in eGlobe HMS?
Derived pricing is a pricing strategy where the rates for different room categories are automatically calculated based on a single base rate. Whenever you need to update your pricing, you only have to change the base rate and apply a bulk update. This automatically adjusts the rates for all other rooms, eliminating the need to update each room individually every day. Let's start by logging into the eGlobe HMS panel. Once you are on the dashboard, go to Manage Channel, and then click on Derived Pricing. Here, you need to select the Derived Pricing mode. You can choose either Flat Rate or Percentage, depending on your pricing strategy. Next, select your base rate plan, which is your main room category. Now, set the pricing adjustments for each room category, whether you want them higher or lower than the base rate. Once done, click on Save. Now, move to the Bulk Update section. Select the date range and choose the weekdays for which you want to update the rates. Now enter the pricing for the base rate plan. Now you can see highlighted pricing. You'll also see an option to select the room categories where you want to apply these changes. Select the channels where you want to push these rates. After that, click on Calculate Prices. Here, you will be able to see the updated pricing. Now, go to Manage Channels and Rates Monthly View. Here, you will be able to see the updated pricing. The room category selected as the base rate plan will be clearly highlighted, and other room prices will be adjusted accordingly. For more information, call us at 9818880480.